Hello, everyone, and welcome to Space News with Space Tech Hub. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a stunning new image of Saturn's rings and several moons captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. This image was released by NASA yesterday and it shows Saturn in unprecedented detail, revealing features that were previously invisible to other telescopes. Let's take a closer look at this amazing picture and what it tells us about the ringed planet and its satellites. The image was taken by JWST's Near-Infrared Camera, or NIR-CAM, which is one of the four main instruments on board the telescope. NIR-CAM can observe infrared light, which is invisible to human eyes, but can penetrate through dust and gas that obscure visible light. This allows NIR-CAM to see things that other telescopes can't, such as the faint rings of Saturn and the small moons that orbit within them. One of the most striking features of the image is the contrast between the bright and dark sides of Saturn. The bright side is facing the sun, while the dark side is in shadow. However, you can still see some illumination on the dark side, which is caused by sunlight reflecting off the rings and onto the planet. This phenomenon is called ring shine, and it creates a beautiful glow around Saturn. Another interesting feature of the image is the presence of several moons around Saturn. You can see four of them clearly: Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Dione. These are some of Saturn's largest and most fascinating moons, each with its own unique characteristics. For example, Enceladus is known for having a global ocean beneath its icy crust and geysers that spew water into space. Tethys has a huge crater called Odysseus that spans a third of its diameter. Dione has a thin atmosphere and a mysterious network of bright streaks on its surface. The image also shows some smaller moons that are harder to spot, such as Pandora, Atlas, Prometheus, and Epimetheus. These are some of Saturn's shepherd moons, which help shape and maintain the rings by their gravitational influence. They also interact with each other in complex ways, sometimes swapping orbits or colliding with each other. The image of Saturn and its moons is just one of many that JWST will produce in the coming years. The telescope was launched in December 2021 and reached its final orbit at the Lagrange point 2 in January 2022. Since then, it has been undergoing testing and calibration to prepare for its scientific operations. JWST is expected to start its official mission in June 2022 and will observe a variety of targets, from planets and stars to galaxies and black holes. JWST is the most powerful and ambitious space telescope ever built, with a 6.5-meter mirror that can collect more light than any other telescope. It also has a suite of instruments that can observe different wavelengths of light, from visible to mid-infrared. JWST will be able to study some of the oldest and most distant objects in the universe, as well as some of the most intriguing ones in our own solar system. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Saturn and its moons. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more space news. Thanks for watching and see you next time.